Alex, I'm going to play Dark Noise. I'm making this video very quickly because it won't let me record for much longer. I'm going to be playing a Nightmare difficulty, and last time I played this, it was a 20-minute video, so I couldn't upload it, but I ended up throwing my controller, and freaking out and almost kneeing myself in the face. Hopefully I can do this video in like 10 minutes. Playing this on Xbox. I'm playing this to get ready for the new Slender game coming out September 24th. Captain Failure is one friend of mine. Yay! It's Jerome. Founders Hall. Oh, I forgot. Excuse me. Founders Hall. I want to be the kid with blue hair, but I'm gonna be Zach Bagans. I think his name is. I don't know his name. He's the first character. Blue hoodie. He's Zach Bagans. He is now Zach Bagans. Kurt is his name. Oh god, and the volume's loud too, because I'm playing this at like noon, as you can see behind me. Last time I was playing this, it was... Oh, there's something in front of me. Sorry, I'm not doing any gameplay. I don't have the equipment for that just yet. Hopefully, after I get a job, I can pay for it. Hopefully you can hear me, and hopefully you can hear this, because audio is everything in this game. Audio and anything. Horror movies, you take away the sound, you can watch anything. But I should probably go into detail on what this is and what I'm going to be doing. Until I get the equipment, I'm just going to be talking in front of a camera, or my iPod. But I hear you. I don't see you, but I hear you. So you're... Ow. I hear a tape recorder, but I don't see it. Where are you? But, I'm just going to be talking about random things. Hopefully getting better at just talking. I'll come back. I know that when there's static, that means that there's a tape. I'm not going to go into detail about who I am or anything, because I only have 5 subscribers. Yay, 5 subscribers. I think all of them are me. Nah. Only 4. But last time I played this game, I started sweating, and I like wiped off my hands, and then as soon as I grabbed the controller again, the monster and it just pops up right in my face, and it scared the shit out of me. But usually when I get freaked out, I have a history of throwing things. I was watching The Conjuring for the first time about a month or 2 ago, and we were in my friend's basement. Big TV, surround sound. His nephew was over. It was me, him, and my cousin. And his nephew was over. So, his nephew's about 15. We're sitting there, and we hear a noise on the stairs, and we're like, oh, it's just a cat going through the hole in the door for the cats. And then all of a sudden, he just starts laughing maniacally. My friend shrieks. My cousin screams. I throw my flannel that I had, a pillow, and I get up and I run over and I almost knocked him out. Where are you, tapes? Oh my god. Ow. This video is almost halfway over. Maybe I'll just do a few videos, because I can play this. Uh-oh. That. About 360. Not all of these are gonna be horror games. I guess I'll do commentaries and reviews on games that I played. Shut up! God. Just because you're hungry doesn't mean you get to parade around this freaking museum and just growl and yell at people. You have to wait in line at McDonald's. You have to wait for those cheeseburgers, fat ass. What is wrong with me? I've been here before! I found a tape! Woo! One! Woohoo! Victory! Victory! Yeah! Woohoo! Suck it, Mr. Monster. How many tapes do you have? 7. You have 7. I don't care. I have 1, and you can suck it. Ooh, what's in these? Jesus Christ! Is he gone? Oh God. Oh, they're the statues. I hate these things, even in the pictures. I found another tape recorder, guys. I'm scared to pick it up because I know it's gonna get worse. Alright, I'm gonna have to end this video in a few seconds. I guess I'll just divide this into parts of, excuse me, until I finish it. Okay, he's not behind me. I can run. I would love to end this video with something terrifying, but I know that won't. It's not gonna happen. Giant head. 2 giant heads. 4 giant heads. 5, 6. Next episode, giant heads. Bye.